Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee black only way. Start with freshly roasted beans, grind just before brewing to a medium-fine texture, use a 1:15 coffee to water ratio, and brew using pour-over or French press. Use water heated to just off boiling, brew for the appropriate time, and pour immediately to prevent over-extraction. Taste and adjust grind or ratio until you achieve a clean, bitter-free black cup. Fresh grind and clean water are the backbone of black coffee, so grind just before brewing and use filtered water. Aim for a medium-fine grind for pour-over and slightly coarser for French press, and keep a 1:15 ratio as a starting point. Measure with a scale, not spoon, and adjust by taste. Finer grind increases extraction, coarser decreases it. Take notes on each attempt regularly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker that fills small rooms with clear sound and handles voice commands. It is compact, affordable, and perfect for your coffee routine. Ask it to set timers or play coffee shop sounds while you brew. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a brewing method that highlights clarity and avoids oil-heavy extraction for black coffee, such as pour-over, AeroPress, or French press. Pour-over gives the cleanest cup, AeroPress is quick and bright, and French press delivers fuller body. Select based on preference. Control water temperature around 92-96 degrees C, bloom the grounds for 30-45 seconds when using pour-over, and taste between pours to dial in balance and bitterness. Practice often and trust your palate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.